you to know, girl. Y'all shoot you up for that bottom. What about that market?
Good job, dog. It's my boy rolling. Come on, King. Old man, old man. Get behind your seat a little bit. Don't hit your brakes though. And if you do, you hit the back ones. If you really need to stop, emergency, hit both of them. All right. Now, put on the gas, put on the gas. There you go. Our mind's slipping too. It's all right. Just hold on a little tighter, just a little bit tighter. Kenny, you got a 29. You don't need to duck and dodge every route. Lift up that front tire. Oh, slow it down, slow it down. There you go. Daryl, make your gears hard again there, Daryl, just a little bit. Click it one time. That'll give you more traction. Go a little faster. There you go. It's good, Daryl. And good, King. There you go, King. Okay, stay on task, buddy. There you go. Y'all rolling. Y'all rolling. Good lead, Miller. Yeah, good lead. Thanks. Go behind. There you go. There you go. There you go. Keep going. There you go, Ken. Way to stay with it. Way to stay with it. There you go. Y'all can dip them handlebars. I'll show y'all pump them handlebars. Oh, man, don't fall over there. I don't know what y'all can't. There you go, Ken. Good job. You scared me a little bit, but yeah, you scared me. All right, what y'all want to do? Drink? Rest or what? Piss? That's faster wheels. You got. Stop trying to make excuses, boy, and just ride. You scared? Say you scared. Come on. You ready to come into the opening? Come on, we supposed to be balling down here, Daryl. Hey, we're in here. Go. Oh, shit. You all right? All right, take it.
Do it, y'all. And a little bit of that freaky get back. I said, why? That's what we're talking about. Talking about it.
I said what? Unless you gonna do that there. I said what? I said what? I said what? I said what? Oh. Have mercy. Just like everybody else out there now.